Okay, so fine now, guys. So what is that? My dot what? My dot mail dot what is that? Port. Port is there, right? Just what port is there, right? Port. Just I'm taking what is that? Port is there, right? Port I'm taking what is that? Just 1 2 3 any number. Okay. Another one more property I'm taking. My dot what is that? Mail dot what? My dot what? Mail dot what? Mail dot what is that? Host. Host, right? Host I'm taking what is that? Gmail only, right? Gmail. Fine now, guys. This property, this one what is that? This profiler also ready now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So come inside that runner class. So again what we will do now, at the rate value, now fine now, guys. Inside that what we will do now, dollar symbol. Inside that what we will do now, dollar symbol. Come inside that application dot mail. What is the key is there now, guys? This one, this key we will inject inside this what, inside this here only, right? After then another one more is there, right? Sorry, this one is the port, right? Now we will, and here what is that? Host. Here we will take the host, right? Host now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So thin, but main property profiler is which one now, guys? Application production, right? Production properties. So what is that? What is that? Two child, what is that? Two child properties are there, right? So what is that? Prod db we are taking, right? What is the profiler name we are taking? Prod db. Another one is what? Prod mail, comma, what is that? Prod mail. We will take the prod mail now. Fine now, guys. So like this what is that? We will include it, right? We will include it. Okay, after then what we will do now, let's run the application and we will see that. But how we can activate the profiler, guys? We seen that. Okay, we seen that in the last session also, and today also we will see that. Okay, how spring dot profiles dot active, right? Active dot what is that? Prod. We will take the prod. So now let's run the application and we will see this output. Now right click, run as a configuration. Okay, so hyphen spring dot what is that? Profiles, right? Spring dot what? Hyphen dot what? Profiles dot what is that? Active active equal to what we will do now? Prod. Now run the application, guys. Now run the application. Oh, something wrong is going on. What is that? Right click, run as, run configuration, argument, hyphen spring profiles, active profiles, what? Active. Correct only, right? 1 minute, guys. Hyphen spring dot, what is that? Spring dot profiles dot active equal to what is that? PROD. Now, same only we are taking last also, right? Hyphen D for VM. No, Manjulata, no need. Why it's not taking? What is that? Application PROD, right? Prod. Spring dot profile. Include, right? Include correct only, right? But why it's giving the error? Oh. Here profiles not profiles. This is the key, you guys. Okay. Spring dot profiles dot include. INCLUD. Include, right? Include. Now fine. Now fine. Spelling is mistake, guys. Okay. So fine now, guys. So here comes. Okay. Run the application now. Run the configuration. Already there is Spring hyphen product, right? Run it. See this, guys. Okay, see this result is coming in one application or not from the different profile. Okay, this mail related things is coming what mail profiler, right? Mail profiler, and this is the database related information is coming from the database profiler, and this one is coming for main production profilers, right? Production what? Production profilers, right? So production profilers. So now like this, what we are doing now, this is called what? So to achieve the modularity in what property? To achieve the modularity in what property? We are writing the like what is that property inclusion, right? We are using what is that property child inclusion, guys. Okay. So now okay. So yesterday we seen that. Okay, I said that what is the how many way we can achieve the we can work on what profiler now, guys. How many we can work on the profiler two way using what is that we can differentiate the profiler property using what is that property also, and what in our application if in our application what with the logic also we can differentiate the profiler using what is that property. Till now we seen that using what is that property and the ml also. Just what we will do now, we will use instead of what is that property, we know that we can use the ml, right? Ml. So now let's see that either using what is that iterate profiler annotation also in the what we will do now, guys, in the using what is that at the rate and annotation using what is that we will differentiate based on that logic, based on that what logic only our profiler, right? Our profiler will run what different with what different logics, right? With what is that if qa environment is there, in the qa environment qa property will take, and what is that what is that profiler will run, that what will happen now, that profiler will run. Okay, so at the rate annotation, what we will do now, at the rate what is that profiler, at the rate what guys, at the rate profiles, right? At the rate profiles. Yes, at the rate what, at the rate profile, right? Annotation, we will use the at the rate profile annotation execute logic based on that environment. If the different based on that environment, in which environment yesterday we seen that, right? What is the environment? Just think about that. If application will move inside that, what is that qa environment, right? Then what will happen, then that logic will execute, right? Then what is that, but here what we are taking now, what we are taking now, guys, we are taking that what we are taking a what property file, right? We are taking what property file, but here our application based on that our java code, right? That environment will work. Okay, using what, which annotation now, guys? Using what profile annotation, right? Using what profile annotation. So just think about that, guys. Okay, just think about that, what I'm going to do now. Just think about a normal java class I'm writing. Okay, normal, just I'm writing what is that, just think about that, what this is, what our class sample is there, right? Class what, sample class is there, right? Sample class is there, right? So sample class is there, inside that just think about that code is there, right? Code is there. I want to run this code inside that, what is that, whenever we will activate what is that profiler, I want to run this code inside that, what is that, only what is that, only developer environment, right? So for that, what we will apply on the top of this class, right? We will apply at the rate profile, at the rate what profile we will apply on the top of. Inside that, what we will do now, just we will give that div. We will give what is that profiler name, guys. How we are giving what inside that, what how we are giving inside that property, what is the profile name, prod, right? Same like we will give the in this annotation argument that profile name. Based on that we will activate that what is that, that logic, right? Based on that we will activate what, that logic. So now working okay. So so after then what is that? So next one is what, if our application, no, I want what is that, my application, what is that? So to run in what is that, dev environment also, QA environment also, and a production environment also. So for that, so just think about that again. Class, I'm taking what is that, class sample. Class, I'm taking what, one class, I'm taking sample. Inside this class, what is that, code is there. Code is there, right? So I want what to run this application in what, every environment. This logic, what is that, this logic should run in what, every environment. So which annotation, and at the rate profile, at the rate what profile we will take inside that, what inside this one, what array we will take. After then what is that, okay, qa we will give the argument. Another one is what we will give, guys, another one is what, another one is what, dev also we will give. Another one is what, another one what, production also. Another one is what, production also, right? So like this, if we give, this code will work inside what, every environment now, guys. Okay, every environment this code will work. Okay, so now, no, I want what is that, I want only particular environment. One more, right? What is that? Just think about that class. This class is there, what, sample. This class is there, what, sample class is there. Inside this class also, what is that, code is there, right? Inside this class also, what, code is there. I want to run this class, means this logic only, what is that, QA environment. So what we will do now, at the rate profile, iterate profile. Inside that we will give what is that, qa, what is that, qa, what is that, argument. Then based on this one, what will happen now, guys, this logic will execute, what is that, based on that, what, different environment. This logic will execute, what is that, based on that, what, different environment now. So fine now, guys. So okay, so what we will do now, let's create one small application. And what is that, how we can activate it now, guys? So if we want, what is that, to activate, what is that, a developer environment. So hyphen what is that, sorry, yeah, hyphen I dash dash, what is that, spring, what is that, spring dot profiles dot, what is that, activate. ACTIVE, right, active, equal to, what is that, we will give dev, right? Then dev environment will work. Okay, dev environment will work. Okay, so now fine, if you give the, what is that, qa environment will work. Okay, qa environment will work. Okay, so now fine, guys. So okay, so if you want to run this one, okay, so what you will do now, just qa plus dev comma prod, right? Like this, if you give, then this logic will execute. Every what is that, every environment logic will be executed. So now based on that, let's create one small application and we will see this. Okay, we will see this. Okay, then we will move on what, higher level. Then we will move on what, higher level now, guys. So now fine, now let's create one small application, a small application. And we see that for the dummy purpose, I'm giving what, giving what, the demo purpose. Now fine now, guys. So file new, file new. After then take the spring starter project. So what I'm going to, profiler annotation. Profiler what, annotation. Now next, use the Lombok, select the this version, next, finish. Yeah, the application is created, right? So now what we will do now, okay, so what we will do now, come inside that, right click new. After then what we will do now, we will create what is that one class, right? One class, just I'm taking what is that message runner A, message runner B, right? Like this we are, and we will see this, okay? We will see this, okay? So what is that? What I'm taking, MESSAG, message app. Just I'm taking what is that? Just I'm taking what is that? Message A, what is that runner? Runner I'm taking, right? Message is A, runner I'm taking. One class I taking, another one more I'm taking, right? Based on that environment, we will see this. New, what I'm taking now, guys? New, next, what is that? Another one is what? Message B, message B runner, right? These two runners I taken, right? These two classes I'm taking. Implement, what is that? Implement command line runner. Okay, fine. Now inside that one abstract alt shift s plus v, one abstract method is there, I'm overriding now. Okay, so inside that, just I'm writing what is that, just I'm writing, guys, sysout. Okay, sysout, just I'm giving what, just I'm giving what, qa, this one is what, QA QA. Just think about that. If this class will run, right, means what, this is the QA environment. So what we will do now, what annotation we see in that. But first, what we will do now, create the object. How, which annotation we will apply on the top of component, right? Component. We will apply on the this top of this class. What is that? At the rate component. Another one is what, guys? Profiler. At the rate what? Profile, right? At the rate profile. Inside this, what we will do now, we will give what? QA. This is the profile name. File now, fine now, guys. Another one more we will take. What is that? Implement what? Implement command line runner, right? I'm taking what? Two classes. Fine now, guys. So command line runner. So now alt shift v, right? Just overriding abstract method. Inside that we will write the logic. Okay. So just think about that. What? Okay. So fine now, guys. At the rate to just create the, what is that object, right? I want to create the object. So what we will do now, at the rate component, right? At the rate component. Okay, okay, at the rate what I'm taking, profiler, right? At the rate I'm taking what is that, profiles annotation. Inside that, guys, I'm taking what is that, if we are not giving any key, if we not give any key, right, just we will run the application. So for that, just I will give what is that, just for that I'm giving what, array symbol. If we are not giving anything, default run, right? Default also this class only run. Okay, default, DEFA. Default spelling is what, guys? Default, right? Correct only, right? DEFAULT, right? Comma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine. So otherwise, what if QA we are giving, right, in the QA environment also, right? Sorry, production environment also this code should be run, right? So in production environment also this code will be run. So for that, in both, if key is not match, right, in the argument, at that time also this code only will run. If keys match with the what, production, right, then also this code will match. Okay, then also this code will run. Okay, so now if QA we are taking, in what is that, we are activating, this environment will run, right? This environment will run. Okay, so sys out now, sys out. So just we are giving what is that, from the dev and the production environment, right? For that I'm giving what is that, developer environment also we can say, and production prod environment, env I'm giving, right? So now let's run the application. just if we let's activate, right, run the application. Okay, just if we, I'm not giving, just normally if I'm running the application, okay, then see this, just normally run, I'm running this application. Okay, so see this developer and product environment result we are getting, right? Developer and what product environment, can we provide condition approach to, yes, yes, Sachin, we can provide, not all those things, we can provide the condition also. Okay, okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so fine here. What is that? QA is there, right? QA is there, right? Right. So no, I want, what is that, based on that, what is that environment I want to run this application. So what we will do now? Right click, run as what? Run configuration, right? Run configuration. So come inside that what, and here what we will do now? Dash dash. What is that? Spring. What is that? Dot. What is that? Profile. Dot what? Profile, right? Dot what? Profile. And what is the profiles? Dot active. Dot active equal to what? I want to run the QA logic. QA we will give, right? Now apply and run this. See this, we are in this time, we are getting, what is that? QA environment, right? We are getting what? QA environment. Now run again, run as run configuration, right? Run what? Configuration. Come inside the argument. What? Here give the dev, right? Dev, run as, run this. What happened? Oh, sorry. Actually, what we are taking fraud, right?
There is no.
But still we are taking default, right? We are taking the default, but still why it's not running? Default should become, if the key is not match, we taken right here default. Right, 1 minute. I want to check one time its declaration of profile. 1 minute, hold it. My system also hanging now. No. Okay, 1 minute. Again, we will run it. Okay, run this application. Run as configuration. Run as, okay. PROD production. I'm taking, right now. Apply. Run as.
PRD sir, वो ले दो.
Okay, something wrong, right?
It's PRD.
Run.
It's PRD.
Okay.
Spelling mistake.
Ravi, only PRD, please.
Okay, PRD, right? PRD, okay. PRD is working now, but one more time here, one more default, right? DEF, DEF, ALT,
No, you will be there.
default, right? Default. If key is not merged, right? PROD, right? Prod. If just I'm taking this one, if key is not matched, should run this logic. Okay, why it's not running? So that is the problem.
Spelling mismatch, Ravi.
Hmm?
Default meaning is
Yes.
mismatch.
Spelling mismatch. PRD or DEFULT.
Where PRDEF?
PRD.
No, actually, whatever key default key, if we are taking what is the default, both it will work. Why it's not working? That is the problem. Spelling is correct only. Default spelling is correct, right?
Yeah, now correct.
Yes.
Then why it's not running now? Run nice. Mhm. Okay, I'm not taking any key only. Just I'm taking this one. Okay, now apply run. I'm not taking any value, right? Whenever we are not taking the value, it's running now. This class means by default running. But if key, it is possible to run environment value for environment. Sada, what you are asking? Actually, before the
Actually, Ravi.
uh,
Hi, Ravi. This is Sachin. Actually, I was asking that we are just using the environment in case we are not able to get the values. So directly, can we just print the value from there itself?
one more time, what you want to ask? Actually, your voice is breaking now. One
We
more time.
have the we have the environment, right? So can we are just read value or properties from there. So can we just read in this case?
Anybody understanding what he's asking? Because in between, I think you from your
Sir,
side network.
before default, remove the space. He said.
No, that is not problem. No, that is not issue. Shadab, someone is asking some question. Okay, he's asking some question. I'm not understanding. Okay. Uh, Profile only. Profiles is to activate Padma, right? To activate profiles is there. Profile annotation, just profile annotation only is there, right? But it's default. Why it's not? Okay, let it be. We will see later. Okay, we will not waste the time. Okay, we will not. But still see that if we are not taking any key, right? If we are not taking any key, someone is asking some questions. Sachin, can we use environment.get property here? Wow, oh, your doubt is this one, right? So okay, so here what is that? We can environment.get property to reading that what property file. Here what we are doing now, Sachin, we are what is that? We are executing logic now, okay? And even we are not using what is that interface environment interface. So there is no need to what use what environment dot what is that get property here. Here there is no use of that, right? Okay, one blank space. One blank space. Okay, I will not give space also. Okay, let's run one more time. If we take wrong key, right? If we take wrong key, still default will run. Okay, default will execute. Now equal to what is that? What I'm taking prod. Just I'm taking what prod. Prod is not there, right? Prod logic is not there. Just run this. It's not coming. Some okay. We will check later, guys. Okay, we will check later. Okay, so now let's one more time. Let's be develop what is that one big application with what is that with including what property also. Based on that, what we will do now? We will differentiate what is that. We will differentiate what? We will differentiate the logics as well as what is that property also. We will read the property. But what we will do now? First, we will design one application, right? We will design one application. Okay, so here what we are doing, multiple classes we are taking, right? In this application, what we are doing now, guys, what we are doing now, what we are doing now, here what is that? App config app demo profile inclusion. No, this one, which application one there? Yeah, this one, right? This application is there. What is that? What we are doing now, here what is that? Different concrete classes is there. Based on that, whenever we are giving the input argument, what based on that input argument logic, the class is running now, guys. Okay, so just what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take what interface, right? Interface, I'm going to take what is that interface now, guys. Okay, so what is that? Just think about that message alert service is there. So in this application, what we will do now, based on that property, what we will do now, based on that environment, we will read the property file also in this application, right? Okay, in this application, what we will do now, we will read the property file also, right? We will read what property file also. So what is our what is that discussion is there? So just think about that. This is what our one interface is there, right? So one interface is there. Just think about that. In which package, in this one is there in the in what is that com.rk dot what is that com.rk dot what is that service service service, right? Service, right? Service package. Okay, so what is that? Just I'm taking the interface name is what? Interface name is what? Public what is that? Alert service. Just I'm taking what is that? Alert service. This is the interface name is there, right? This is the interface name is there. Okay, fine. Now guys, so next one is what? Next one is what? Development also. I will give the analysis to you people. Okay, just concentrate on that. Okay, so this is what alert service is there, but we know that we can't create the object of what? We can't create the object of what? Interface. So what we will do now, guys, we will go, it's a implementation class. So just think about that. Different, it's having what? Different what? Implementation classes, right? It's having what? Different what? Implementation class, right? So what is that? The implementation class is what, guys? Implementation class is what? Calm.rk dot calm.rk dot calm.rk dot what is that? What is that? Uh, Alert. What is that? Service. Just I'm taking what is that? IMPL, right? IMPL. Okay, this is the package name. Inside that one class is there. Concrete class we are taking. What is the concrete class I'm taking, guys? Plus what I'm taking the concrete class. I'm taking the concrete class. What is that? Plus what is that? Plus what is that? SMS, right? SMS alert. SMS what? Alert. Service. Service IMPL. This is the class name. It's implementation class name. Okay. So this is the implementation class. So what we will do now? We will take this profile, right? This class we will take as what? Default profile, guys. Okay. Default profile. What is that? Default profile. Default profile. This class we will take as what? Default profile. Now fine now, guys. Okay, so between these classes, which relation is there now here? Which relation is there? EJ relation is there, right? Interface. And what is that interface between this class? Which relation is there now, guys? EJ relation is there. Fine now. Fine. Okay, this is the EJ relation between these two classes. What relation is there? Control J. Okay, EJ relation is there, right? So here what is that? EJ. Easy relation is there. Now fine now. Another one is what? Another one more implementation class I'm taking, right? One more implementation class here I'm taking now. Okay, so what the class name, guys? What is the class name? I'm taking what is the email? Email alert. Email alert service. Service IMPL. IMPL, right? This is what? This is the class name, right? This is what? Another class name, right? This is what? Another class name. Class implementation class. Okay, this one is what? Another implementation class. This is the okay. The package name is what? Same, guys. Okay, same package name. Okay, what is the package name now? What is the package name here? Here the package is what? Com.rk dot what? Service dot IMPL, right? IMPL. Fine now. Okay, so what relation is a relation is there, right? In between these two, what is that? Is a relation is there. Is a relation is there. One more implementation I'm giving, guys. Okay, so profiler, this email alert will run inside that what? QA environment, guys. Okay, so for that we will give the profiler is what? QA profile. We will give what? QA profiles, right? This one we will give what? QA profile, right? QA profile. Now fine now. Okay, another one more class I'm giving, right? One more class I'm giving. What is that? What is that? So this one is I'm giving what is that? Social alert, right? Plus what is that? Social alert service IMPL, right? Service what? IMPL. Fine now, guys. Service IMPL. Okay, so I taken. Okay, so fine now, guys. So I'm giving the package name must be package name the same only, right? Same only. What is the package name?